Hi, it's Stephen at Goodie Goodie making French meringue spiral pops. Mix room temperature egg white at medium speed with a whisk attachment. Add sugar slowly, 1 spoonful at a time. Then the vanilla and cream of tartar. And turn the mixture up to high for about 8 minutes until you get really stiff peaks. Getting air bubbles out of your piping bag. I'm putting a little bit of meringue on each corner to hold the parchment paper down. And then positioning our lollipop sticks. Start with the 2 corners and then fit the other ones around. We're only doing 6 here. The tray would actually fit 8, but we don't need that many. Try to pipe your spirals in a straight up and down position. I have trouble doing that, but I'm using a 1M tip here, which is really good for this type of project. Now I'm going to switch over to pink, so I'm adding a little food coloring. Stirring like crazy. And again, we like to stick to pastel colors at Goodie Goodie. Really great patisseries in Paris like La Durée pretty much always do that. It's considered a little bit classier, I think, than really dark colors that you do see around sometimes. Very nice. Yeah, that's beautiful. And now some green. Also a really good color in a lot of patisseries in France. And it's one of the 3 colors Goodie Goodie uses in our logo. Fantastic. Bake in an oven at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 hours because they're pretty thick, and let them cool in the oven for at least an hour to really dry them out. Super nice, so cool. These look fantastic. Bye for now.